How to get pets in widget table. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you on how you can get pets in widget table. So without further ado, let's get started. So let me open the widget table up. First thing you need to do here to get a pet is you need to get or have an egg. Here you need to go to more section and click pets. As you can see, I have one egg to hatch. So if you like to get an eggs, just click the get more eggs button right here. Here you have two options. First, we have the subscription, which you need to buy it and get a lifetime, yearly, or monthly subscription. The second way is the shop. You can get other stuff here by watching an ads or buying some eggs. The third way is to invite friends. If you invite friends to play this game, you will get a rewards. And that's how to get pets in widget table. I hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can comment down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in the next video.